Hello, welcome in this SAP tutorial of ERP SAP team. Today we are going to learn how to take the printout of good receipt or good receipt or good issue note in SAP. Okay, so print of the good receipt note and good issue note print process is the similar. Okay, we have a transaction code MB90. Okay, in MB90 choose the output type of the GR note. Okay, we are showing the process of how to take the printout of the good receipt note. Similar processes for the good issue note, and the transmission medium is material document output type. Okay, and here you need to choose the processing mode is first processing or repeat processing, whatever the processing mode you have. Okay, the first processing, if you are taking the printout of the first time. Okay, and material document here, you need to fill the material document here, and this is our material document number. Okay, this tutorial we are creating for the understanding and the training purpose only. Okay, just to share the knowledge of check this box and click on the output. Okay, and choose the output device LOCL. Okay, LOCL is our default printer output device. Okay, default printer connected. Okay, and here click on the print immediately and click on the print page. System will generate the PDF file of your good receipt document. Similar process is for the good issue document. Hope you understand. System will take the time and generate the report. Okay, and it's my personal suggestion to all of you, save the PDF copy in your desktop. Okay, so choose Microsoft print to PDF or PDF 995. Through this, system will save the PDF copy, then you can print, because PDF copy will use to share the printout of your document. Okay, and see, this is the jointing case TSF6 card primary mux control patch card OFC, the quantity received. Okay, this against the this document. So system will show you all the things. Okay, and this things is in your record also. Okay, so hope you understand this process is very important. Okay, so the similar process is for the good issue node. Okay, similar process is for the good issue node. Okay, and this process is very important, that is MB90 is the transaction code. And you can use, because people are generally using the good issue and good receipt, but they are not know about this transaction code, and you should know this transaction code and keep a record of good issue and good receipt in your file also, physical record. Okay, and you can take the sign of the goods receiver, you can take the sign of good issuers. Okay, the same thing you can get in the MB51 report, I know and understand, but this is these things you should know, those people who are working in the area of and all. Okay, so thank you for watching this SAP tutorial. Okay, this is very helpful tutorial, and please share this tutorial to friends and colleagues who are working in this area. Okay, okay, because knowledge sharing is very important, knowledge sharing is gearing. Okay, and if you are new in on our YouTube channel ERP SAP team, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest SAP basics video updates. Okay, we are frequently creating these tutorials for to all of you, and happy learning. See you in the next tutorial.